everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the sound not working in Inazuma 11 Victory Road on PC. If you have no audio, crackling sound, or the game is completely silent, follow these steps one by one. We'll get it fixed. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open it, then click on Hardware and Sound. Now click on Sound. Inside this window, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Just select the device you want to use and click Set Default. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Levels tab. Make sure your volume slider is not set to the lowest level. Raise it if needed. Solution 3. Open the Advanced tab. Here, set your bitrate to 48,000 Hz or 44,100 Hz. You can also uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Then click Apply and OK. Solution 4. Go to the Spatial Sound tab. Set Spatial Sound to Off. Click Apply and OK again. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it and expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the update to finish. Solution 6. Go back and click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your audio driver from the list and click Next. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. This game uses GPU audio processing, so GPU drivers can affect sound. Open the Start menu again and type Device Manager. Open it and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the update to finish. Solution 8. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open it and click the Drivers tab. Select Search for updates. If a new update is available, download and install it. Then launch your game and test your sound again. And that's it. You now know 8 different methods to fix sound not working in Inazuma 11 Victory Road on PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.